U.U.U! What's up, y'all? It's time for part 2 of this Metallica marathon. It's too long, baby. Today, we're gonna be checking out Ride the Lightning. Y'all ready? Let's get it. You know, that first song, it was just reminded me again of that that thrash metal sound. I don't like it, man. That and then it goes off beat and I just lose the rhythm. Let's keep it going. Okay, I like this. Okay, Ride the Lightning is a fantastic song, man. Let's keep it going. Let's go! This sounds great. Right here. Ring the bell. Yes, we got us one, baby. That is hands down the best song I've heard from Metallica this whole series. For whomever the bell tolls, that song is freaking fantastic, man. Let's keep it going. If this song comes on with that tap stuff, I'm skipping. Something got in me. What it came over me, man? Hold on, man. This out making me lose my cool, man. I'm supposed to be cool with my little shades off, but no, man. It done got in you, boy, man. Let's keep it going. I can't believe I was about to skip that song. Let's keep it going. Oh my God, this album is so freaking fantastic once it gets in you, man. Oh, it's got me. It's got me, y'all. It's got me. Let's keep it going. Where you taking me, baby? Where you taking me next? Come on. So we've come to the end, man. Final thoughts about this album. Man, this album. Oh my God, this album at the second half mark was so freaking epic, man. It's like the first half was they was on that bap stuff, and I like one song. I like that for Whom the Bell Tolls or something like that. And then the second half, it's like they laid off the thrash and got into some swag. That kind of rhymes. They laid off the thrash and got into some swag. That's what happened on the second half of this album, from Trapped Under Ice on. It's like they got groovy, they got some swag into the rhythm, and it just got so freaking epic, man. This album is so freaking fantastic from the second half on, man. You guys saw my reaction, man. I'm definitely gonna be coming back to the second half of this album. You best believe that, son. All right, lead singer. He's in the background again, back in the echoes. The problem I have with the lead singer is, man, it's like going to a meeting, and somebody decides they want to do their speech with no microphone. They just want to yell at you. I mean, you still sound like you're back in the echoes, man. So I can't feel you. So I'm gonna need you to get on the microphone, man, because that's how you sound. You sound like you're 1,000 feet away, man, and I can't really feel that. And the drummer, he was still doing that that thrash stuff again, and then it was alright. But then the guitarist, oh my God, the guitarist on this album was the shining point of this album, man. This dude kicked ass on them strings, man. From the bass guitar to the high-pitched strings was just so freaking epic, man. Oh my God, man. So you guys saw my reaction of this album, man. I like half of this thing, a little more than half. I like 5 songs off of this thing, and those songs are so freaking good, so freaking epic. And I damn near lost my mind at the second half of this thing. You guys got to experience that with me, and I'm glad you guys are getting to experience these moments with me, man. And I hope you guys enjoying this stuff, because I'm definitely enjoying this, man. I'm definitely enjoying listening to music I don't listen to. And I'm hoping you guys having a good time doing it with me, man. Just my thoughts. Till next time,